For the times that you rain in my parade.
Last video, guys. Thought the Kung Su mug was appropriate for this video. Yes, I did finally make some tea. Should have put some sugar in it, but I can deal. So, in the very first video, hours ago, about the update on my life, I had said I had gone to Nature Republic. So I kind of wanted to show you guys that stuff, because I actually haven't opened some. Because I kind of was waiting for this. So, I got Dio hand lotion. Look how cute he is. These are like super cute. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want some of the other ones. And then I also got the lip balm. I'm gonna open this one first. I have like chapstick and stuff. I normally use like a medicated one because when it gets cold, my lips crack really bad, but I had to have this. Oh, he's on. Oh, he's so cute. There we go. He's even on the stick. And the oranges have the little XO symbol. Nature Republic. Natural Butter Lip Balm. Ooh. Smells like cherry. Kinda. So yeah, it's like a reddish color. Let's try it. Yeah, it's kind of cherry-esque. Even though I think it's supposed to be orange. It's more cherry-esque to me. I don't know. It's weird. I'm weird, so who knows? Those are so cute, though. I like the little boxes. Really like this. And it's kind of like a tint, so that's really cool. Especially because we all know I don't wear makeup very often. How do I get this open? Because I don't want to destroy the box. How do I get this open? Okay, there we go. No. So there's something else in there too, but are they the same? Are they different? No, they're the same. You get 2 in here? That's awesome. So you get 2. And it's Hand and Nature Shea Butter Hand Cream. How to use. Wouldn't you just put it on? Apply an appropriate amount onto your hands and gently pat for absorption. Should you just pat it? I kind of want to try. There's something else in this box, but I want to try this first. Oh, get one of these. Whoa! Where'd they go? There it is. He got cuter. And he keeps moving. He was on that side before. I'm only putting a little bit on right now. You kind of have to rub it in. And then you can pat it in. It smells like baby powder. That's what it kind of smells like. It's actually really funny. It really does. It smells like baby powder. So, what else is in here? Oh, what's this? Oh, I didn't know this. It's a little Nature Republic card. I'd seen people with these, but I wasn't quite sure, like, how you got them and stuff. They're in the box. It looks really cute. Is that the same size as a photo card? Yeah, sweet deal. I can fit it in my binder. It's really cool. So yes, that was the Deo lotion in lip balm. Make sure that's what it was actually called. From Nature Republic. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of tempted to go to New York City next week when I'm a little bit closer and kind of go back to Nature Republic, even though I shouldn't. Because I shouldn't spend money. Because, oh yeah, I don't have any. I also got the charcoal face mask thing. You put it on and you let it dry, and then you wash it off. That's really cool. I had already used that. It's in the closet. I just didn't feel like getting it. But that's pretty cool. I really like this lip balm. I like the tint. Because I don't really like bright lipsticks or anything. Like, I do have some pretty bright red lipstick, but it's a rarity. I actually wear it. Don't mind me and my kungsu mug. Just my mint tea and I grooving along. Okay, so that is it for today. Maybe another one tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. I just checked the tracking, and it says as of yesterday at 4 something in the morning, it left New Orleans. I want my package. But yeah, we'll discuss that when that comes. Y'all will understand my frustration / anger / something or other. So I'm gonna go edit all of these, drink my tea, and then in like an hour and a half I need to start cooking dinner. Oh, I also had like a little freak out. I thought I lost my external hard drive. I was like, no, all my music. But don't worry, I found it. It was just in a different pocket. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. I'll try and post some videos more recently, but you never know. Yeah, because I'm not really joining any group orders right now because of money and stuff, but I think I am going to start doing reaction videos, so that could be a thing soon. There's a lot of videos I need to catch up on, so I should probably do that. So yeah, that's life. Now it's time for me to go. Bye guys, I missed y'all.
And if I was your boyfriend,